brass-bound kitchen gear softly whine. Flour dust dances in the gas lamp shine. Sugar and spice, vanilla so sweet. I'm rolling the dough with a mischievous beat. Cinnamon whispers, chocolate melts slow. These cookies are baked for the man in the snow. Come down my chimney, dear Santa, so grand. I've something delicious waiting by hand. Oh, Santa, my darling, oh, what shall you do? Warm from the oven, these treats are for you. Bite into gingerbread, feel the heat rise. A seductive morsel in this Christmas disguise. Come taste what I've made in the steam and the fire. Your naughty elves burning with Yuletide desire. Frosting in swirls like cogwheels that turn. Peppermint sparks make the midnight air burn. Stockings are hung